What do you want? Want a what? Want a what? Pixie? Pixie? You? Now he not seen the way I looked at him, or? You know, no bad talk. You said it this morning, didn't you? Never mind Alexa. Never mind Brooke either. Bebo. You're blaming everybody else but yourself. Now you've got Alexa. You called Alexa for help. What are you going to say to Alexa anyway if she answers? What are you going to say to Alexa? No. You think your Brooke's going to come and save you, don't you? If I shout at you? Yeah? Aren't you? You're convinced she's going to help you, like, don't you? Was that a wee boken Brooke girl I heard? It was! I swore I wasn't sick. What? Do you love your Brooke? Don't even start, come on.